I forgot to mention how to oil this, and I forgot to oil it. So I'm going to take the cap back off. Like so. And then with my oil, I'm going to put a couple drops of synthetic motor oil. That's what I use. Here I have a piece of wire that has a flat end on it, and that wire will go into my oil, and I would just put a couple drops of oil all the way around the spring, and as you wind it up, that oil is going to go where it needs to go. Don't over oil it. You never want to over oil clock. Oil causes dirt build up, and so you never want to over oil a clock. So now I got to put the cap back on. So again, the cap is back on. On to the next step. Sometimes when you're dealing with clocks, you have to think outside the box. Now I had to take this gear off, and I have to push it back on. So what I did was drilled a hole in this block of wood and put the gear on top into the wood, and then with a socket putting over that gear, taking my hammer and lightly tapping it, it pushed this gear back where it needed to be. So again, you don't have to have all these fancy tools. You just got to be able to think outside the box sometimes.